Alright, here is my toolbox. Have a Extreme Tools roll cab, which I made into Snap-on. So that increased the value like a few $1,000s. And let me see here. Turn you guys inside, dude. Top cabinet is a Matco 4S. Let's see what tools. I got a few wrenches in here, just this overflow wrenches here. Here I got my ratchets, mostly Snap-on. Got a few Carlisle, one Matco. Here's like my diagnostic drawer, scanners, all kinds of stuff in there, meters. Here's this drawer, my Milwaukee power tools. And here is my sockets. I got mostly Blue Point, Carlisle. There's my adapters, Blue Point. This is gray pneumatic. All my impacts are gray pneumatic, and Proto, and these here are Proto 1/2-inch drive. I still need to get a few in here. Carlisle 3/4-inch drive. Some odds and ends. Here's a heavy truck sockets out there. And my screwdriver drawer. Got the hose picks, cabinet long screwdrivers, with some odds and ends there. Seal picks, regular picks right there. My torque set, spring tools, regular set. There's my terminal tools here. Miniature set there. Here's my wrenches here. So I got Snap-on from 1/4 all the way up to 1 3/8. Gear wrench, some more Snap-on, Matco, Snap-on. Here's those high torque. I can't think of what it's called now. Anyway, some line wrenches, Snap-on, gear wrench, metric. Everything on this side is metric. That side is standard. Snap-on, metric from, I think it's 8 all the way to 21. These are Carlisle. I need the Carlisle here. They're pretty good tools. This one, my plier drawer, Carlisle and Snap-on. Here's my Allen's punches and chisels. Snap-on punches and chisels and Allen's. These go all the way up. Pretty big sizes here. Here's some odds and ends right here. Slack adjuster tools, brake tools, caliper hangers, just regular tire tools, scrapers, all that stuff. And here's a hammer drawer. Got Carlisle and Snap-on hammers, vice grips, seat clamps, oil filter wrenches, big hub sockets, 5 bars on the bottom. Here we got Napa impacts, English IR air tools, Matco nut puller there. Now here's just some odds and ends, bits, stuff like that. Here's those PWZ pliers. I got the 0, 1, and 2 hose clamps, pliers, proto adjustables, vice grips, cutters. It's my precision screwdrivers, Carlisle, files, snap-on files. And here's just some odds and ends. Battery load tester, fuel line disconnects, tie rod tools, soft picks and stuff in there. But that's about does it there. Gotta get a few more things and then be ready. Be all set here. And this is my Harbor Freight cart that I made snap-on right there. So I think it works pretty good. Alright, well, thanks for watching.